This is Chef Michael with Chef Michael's Food Hacks, and today we're making Spanish chicken. So stay with us. Okie dokie. All right, now our chicken is lightly browned. These are boneless chicken thighs. We're gonna put that, I put a little olive oil in the bottom of the Instapot. We're gonna put the chicken thighs in. All right, I want all this juice here, okay? This what's called fond. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this juice from the onions and peppers, and I'm gonna mix it around a little bit. This is a trick to add some more flavor. Yep, that's why it's called Chef Michael's Food Hacks. So anyway, we're gonna take the juice of that chicken off the bottom of the pan, and we're gonna go ahead and add that right to the Instapot. Now that has a tremendous amount of flavor, all right? I'm gonna add a little bit more chopped onions, peppers. Now I have, this is one of my favorite things to use in Spanish chicken. This is fire roasted crushed tomatoes. It's got a little bit of garlic in it. I'm just gonna pour that right in, okay? Then, drum roll, I'm gonna put a few olives in there. My son doesn't like olives, but he doesn't even know they're in here, okay? Now, all of that, I'm just gonna shake it a little bit. Shake it up like we did this morning. Make it even, okay? Now, I'm gonna put the lid on this. I'm gonna bring it up to temp, and then I'm gonna show you how we serve. Hello, Chef Michael's Food Hacks, and the chicken is done. Look at this. Oh my God, it's just bubbly and all yummy, yummy. Now what we're gonna do is dish it up and eat. My son's already yelling. My cat is really excited. He wants to get some of that too. Charger. Also, I want to tell you about, look, I made extra, okay? Again, we were talking about meal kits the other day. I got a couple of meal kits already ready here. So what we're gonna do is put the food in here. I'm gonna cool it off in the freezer a little bit for about 15 minutes after it's sat for 10. Then we'll cover it and either freeze it or refrigerate it. It'll keep 3 to 5 days in the refrigerator. Now also, this makes a great tailgate chow, okay, or Super Bowl. Every year I bring Spanish chicken just like this Super Bowl. I bring a big pot of rice and people just serve themselves. Absolutely love it. Okay, so let's see what this looks like when we'll put it in the bowl. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at that. Doesn't that look wonderful? There it is. Chef Michael McDermott. This is Chef Michael's Food Hacks, and this has been Spanish chicken today. Yummy! Stay tuned for Chef Michael's next food hacks. Remember, when you eat well, you live well.